Designed to support contractors comply with the StWUK UK Waste Classification Protocol, our utility waste sampling kit, the ExBox, includes everything you need to take one soil sample and one asphalt sample. So whether you're conducting your 1% compliance testing to compare to your site risk assessment, or collecting samples on major permitted works to comply with WM3 waste classification guidance, we have you covered. Inside the ExBox, you'll find one plastic tub for your asphalt sample, and underneath will be another 2 plastic tubs, one 250ml amber jar and one 60ml amber jar for your soil sample. It also includes a cool pack to help preserve your samples during transport, and everything is neatly packed within a recyclable, reusable ExBox, with specialist compartments designed to keep your samples safe, organised and ready for collection. For your soil sampling, you'll need 2 white plastic tubs and both amber jars. Together, these containers make up one complete sample. Each individual sample should represent a specific type of material. For example, if you have a made ground subbase layer and a soft ground natural soil layer, you'll need to take a separate sample for each, and this will require an additional sampling kit. First, label your containers. Each label should be filled out with your client name, sample date, permit number, and sample ID. The permit number also forms the sample ID, followed by a suffix to indicate the material type. In this case, SG for soft ground. All containers for that single sample should carry the same reference. When collecting material, always sample from the stockpile, not from inside a trench. To get a truly representative sample, take multiple shovelfuls from around the stockpile and combine them into a clean bucket. Give the material a good mix so that everything is evenly represented. This ensures that all containers have an equal chance of containing the full range of contaminants present in the soil. Once ready, fill each tub and jar to the very top, ensuring there's no air gap. With clays or sticky material, you might need to use your hands to press it in. It's all part of the process. Once all soil sampling containers are filled right to the top, leaving no headspace, you can pop them back into the ExBox and move on to the asphalt. For your asphalt sample, you'll only need one plastic tub. Fill in the label with your company name, sample date, permit number, and sample ID. Again, the permit number also forms the sample ID, followed by a suffix to indicate the material type. In this case, AS for asphalt. To take your sample, you'll need a hand trowel and a mallet. It's important to gather a representative mix of all layers, not just the surface or the base. Take material from different sections around the mobilised area, selecting smaller pieces rather than large chunks to help achieve a consistent sample. Again, your goal is to fill the tub right to the top, leaving as little headspace as possible. Once your tub is full, secure the lid tightly and pop it back into the box. After your samples are filled and labelled, it's time to complete the chain of custody form. This ensures your samples are properly tracked, processed and reported once they reach the laboratory. And that's it, sealed, labelled and ready to be sent for testing. Just send us an email to swuk@soilex.co.uk and we'll book in your collection.